Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. Today I'll be showing how to get phone number using Ajax call for any custom post type or any custom field. For example, today I'm using the post type, normal post type, which is by default in WordPress, this one. And the field I'll be using is a custom field added by advanced custom fields, which is phone number. And the reason people doing this is to prevent people from stealing phone numbers or email addresses. So I'll be using the phone number. If you click on get phone for this sample post 3, then it will show you please wait, and then after completing the Ajax call it will show you the number. So this is a post method Ajax call, which is not scrappable, or people can't steal these phone numbers from your website. So for this I'll use advanced custom fields, and I already installed it and created a single post type phone number field, but I'll be showing from scratch how to make this custom field, and then step by step how to use Ajax call to get this field and show them on the front end. So let's start by installing advanced custom fields first. And if you do not want to use advanced custom fields, then there is a function by which you can add a custom field to the post, and let me show you how to add that function to your functions.php. Currently, if we edit any post, then you will see that there is no custom field for phone number. So first we will add the phone number using a custom function. No custom field in the sidebar, neither in the neither below the contents. Okay, first of all, open your functions.php, and in the last row add type add action admin init and type phone extra. Now build a function by the name of phone extra, which is this function, and this was the hook, which is admin initialized extra, and then start typing. First of all, declare global variable post for getting the basic fields such as post ID, and now variable custom is equal to get post custom, and pass out the post ID, then type $phone and use $custom, name it underscore phone. Please remember that this must be unique. If you already have another option by this name, then this will not work. So custom underscore phone and the 0 index. You can declare this later, but we are doing this right now. So we finish our code and then close the PHP tags and open them again, so we can mention our field. Just type label phone number and close the label. Input type is equal to text. You can also use advanced custom fields, but I think if you are using functions.php, then this will be the best way. name will be underscore phone. Use the same name here and here, and required. Okay, and value will be, use this same value, phone, because when the post saves it will load this same phone number as a placeholder, echo phone. Okay, now scroll down. Outside this function, type add action, save post, and save details. You can give this any name, so you can use it here in the function save details. But this one should be save post, because this is a hook, and this is the function name which we can declare here. Now declare global variable $post, just like we did in the previous function, and then type if is set. If there is any value of this underscore phone in the post, then update post meta and use the post ID to get this specific post, and then the meta value underscore, which is the field name, and then the field value to be saved, underscore post underscore phone, and that's it. So the post will be saved. Okay, we just forgot a line here. Change this name phone extra to phone extra meta, and then function will be phone extra meta. Type in add meta box, and then this function name, then the field title, information, and then again this function name, then type array, which post type you want to show. So we are showing it on post, and then normal for below the post content, and side for the sidebar in the post backend. So we will show it normal, and then low, which is below all the contents. Now choose this post extra and use this function. So this was the chain for this, and now come to your post. You can see there is no meta box, but if we refresh the page, then you can see that there is a phone number below all these things. So if we change low, normal to side, and then refresh, then you can see that this is not available here, and we scroll down, then there is a information tab in the sidebar below all the contents. So this is how we add this field. Now let me show you how to get the this field using Ajax. So for this, come to single.php now, and in the single.php type a button, and ID will be get phone, get phone, and then close the button. Let's do it class btn success. You can give this any class or any style you want, but I am just using bootstrap, so I'll call the bootstrap success button for this. Now save it and refresh the single page, and you will see there will be a button here. Okay, now you can see that there is no phone number on this page, but the button appears. If you click this button, then nothing will happen. So let's start JavaScript for getting the value of this post's phone number and put it in the place of this button. So come to single.php, and you can use this JavaScript in the footer or anywhere else, but I'll use this within the single.php just to show you. Type script and call this id using jQuery hash id, then dot on click event, then function close the function. Now pass on the ID of the current post. We are currently on single, so the current post ID will be get the ID. So variable post ID is equal to, in double quotes or single quotes, open PHP tags and echo get the ID and store it in a JavaScript variable. Please remember to add these single quotes or double quotes, because JavaScript will produce an error if you don't. Now start typing jQuery dot Ajax type post comma URL will be, remember to add it in double quotes or single quotes, PHP. Also add a single quote to this post, because this is also a value to this variable. Okay, now echo admin underscore URL Ajax admin underscore Ajax dot PHP. Next will be data, and then will be success function and function closes, and then close the Ajax function. Now in the data we will pass two parameters. One will be post ID, and the method is already post ID will be sorry, we already have a variable for this, post underscore ID, and then action will be, name your action. In this case I'll use get phone Ajax, and it will be in single quotes. Now open front end and refresh the page. Right click and inspect element to check if the jQuery is working and sending an Ajax call. Come to network if you are using Google Chrome, and use console if you are using Firefox. So come to network, click on get phone, and it's sending the Ajax call. Let's see if it's sending the right post ID and Ajax, get phone Ajax. These two were the parameters we were sending, and method was post. So response will be nothing because there is no function declared for this. So as the jQuery is working, now come to the functions.php again and declare two functions below all these functions. First function will be add action, and it will be wp underscore ajax, and then underscore the function name which we used in the jQuery or JavaScript, this one. Copy this get ajax, get phone ajax, and come to functions.php and paste it here, and then make a callback function, get phone callback, and then again copy this line and paste it here, and just type underscore no priv and the same function. Now make that callback function here, function get phone callback, and before closing the callback function type die and close it. Now we have two options, get phone and action. So action is this function, and use the phone to get post ID to get the ID of this post. So $post ID will be post and post ID, which we produced here in the single JavaScript. This one post ID, this here, and this is the get the ID, the current post ID. So we will now get the phone number, which is this one underscore phone, and it's custom meta. So copy that custom phone, copy and paste it here, but just replace this phone ID, copy the customs as well, and replace this post ID using this variable, because we just sent this post using jQuery, and then echo the phone number. So the result will be appear in this JavaScript success function in this result tab, result variable. So when users click on this get phone, then they must see a message that the phone number is getting, or we are searching for your phone number. So for that, upon the jQuery request, type jQuery hash get phone, and then the inner HTML will be getting and triple dot, which will indicate the user that the phone number is getting, and then on success type the same function here, but replace the getting with this result, which is already echo here the phone number, and it will replace it without quote. It will show the phone number here. Now save it and refresh the page. Now let's click on this get phone. First it will change to getting, and upon success of this Ajax call, it will replace the content with the phone number. Okay, it's a 404 error, and let's see what this error is. Get phone Ajax, which is a function. Come to functions.php. Get phone Ajax, okay. Get phone callback, okay. So let's see in the code what seems to be the problem. WP Ajax is okay, Ajax no priv is okay. Get phone Ajax callback, okay. Action is equal to get phone Ajax, functions okay. Admin URL, okay. This is the error, which is the cause. Replace the underscore with admin dash Ajax. And now let's try. Refresh the page. Now press the button. Ajax call will be placed, will be sent, and it's the number. Click here. Okay, for test purpose I echoed the post ID. Just remove that and leave the phone number, and come click again. And it's getting the phone number now. So after getting the phone number, we will have to disable this button so the function will not call again and again. So for this we will just remove the ID from the get phone. So call this, and upon success remove this ID. Attribute, or remove attribute, which will be the ID. Save it, refresh the page. Now get phone, and after getting the phone number, it must not send the Ajax call again because we removed the ID, but it's sending again. Let's see. Okay, ID is not there, but Ajax call, you can just use the disable option, so it will not repeat this process. Or if it repeats, then it doesn't matter because we have the phone number and we have an active real user to click that button. So that was all for today's video. Please leave this video thumbs up, and please subscribe our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.